Welcome to another JD Tutors tutorial. So there's this question that we want to solve. This question is very easy. It's an equation of a straight line, and I want us to do it together. Okay. So now it's a WASSCE question, November 2019. Question 6b. It said, find the equation of a line which passes through the points 2, -1, and -1, 2, -3. Okay. So first of all, in doing this in this question, there are two approaches. So first of all, you do the what? You find the slope or the gradient. After you pick a point and you use it to find the equation of a straight line. So let's do it. So here we have what? First of all, you find the slope, which is what? M. Let's make it M. So finding the slope is what? y2 minus y1 over what? x2 minus what? x1. So from our point, we have what? -2 2 minus half and what? -1 what? 2 over 3. So you can make here what? x1 y1 and what? Here what? x2 y2. This is -1 and what? 2 over 3. Okay. So now let's do it together. So now find the gradient is what? M is equal to what? y2 is what? 2 over 3 minus what? Minus. Okay. So here's what? Minus what? Half over what? x2 is what? x2 is -1. x1 is what? Minus what? 2. Okay. So now we have what? 2 over 3 minus 2. So if you use LCM, you get what? 6, 4 plus 3 over -3, which is equal to 7 over 6, which is divided by 3 to God, times 1 over 3, which is equal to 7 over what? 18. So our M is what? 7 minus, so there's a negative, so minus 7 over what? 18. So now we finish finding the gradient. We pick a point. So let's pick the first point. So at 2 minus what? Half. So you are putting this in the formula for equation of a straight line, which is what? Y minus what? Y1, which is equal to what? M x minus what? X1. So y1 is minus half. M is minus 7 over 18. X minus what? 2. So this is the same as what? Y plus half is equal to what? Minus 7x over 18. This is the same as what? Plus 14 over 18. So when you group like terms, you're going to get what? You're going to get 7x over 18 plus y and half plus 14 over 18. You have what? So 9 over 18 you have what? 23 over 18, which is equal to what? 0. So you can multiply through by 18 and you get what? 7x plus, if you multiply through by 18 to simplify, so 18 multiplied by what? 7x plus 18 plus what? 23 over 18. And I'm going to get what? 7x plus what? 18y plus 23, which is equal to 0. Very, very easy, guys. So if you see this anyway, please do it. Okay, it's very, very easy. This is free marks, free Ubuntu. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Kindly share, subscribe, comment. If you don't understand, comment and share with your friends. All right, thank you. Bye.